Have you ever opened your inbox and seen one of those Amazon emails saying there's a problem with your account? Maybe it says your payment failed. Maybe it says your package couldn't be delivered. Maybe it even has your name on it. Looks pretty real, right? Well, here's the scary truth. Millions of people are clicking on those emails right now, and some of them are losing everything. Bank accounts drained, personal info stolen, even credit ruined just from one single click. And what's worse, these fake Amazon emails look so real. Even people who think they're smart with technology are getting fooled. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how this scam works, show you what to look for, and most importantly, how to protect yourself and your family before it's too late. Here's why this scam is so dangerous. Amazon is everywhere. It's not just the biggest online store in the US, it's a part of everyday life. Think about it. How many times have you ordered something this week? For most Americans, it's almost daily, and scammers know that. They know the odds are pretty high that if you send out a fake email, the person receiving it probably ordered something recently. That makes the scam automatically more believable. Imagine you just bought headphones yesterday, and the next morning you get an email saying your Amazon order couldn't be processed. Of course you'd panic. That's exactly what these scammers are counting on: panic clicks. So how does it work? First, the scammers send out millions of fake emails that look almost identical to the real thing. Same logo, same font, same color scheme. Sometimes they even throw in details like your name or a fake order number. The subject line is designed to scare you, something like, "Action required. Your account has been suspended." And here's the clever part. The email always includes a button or link. It says, "Log into your account to fix the issue." But when you click it, you're not going to Amazon. You're going to a fake website that's a perfect copy. You enter your login info, and boom, game over. They've got your username, your password, sometimes even your payment details. In less than a minute, they can lock you out of your own account and start shopping with your money. And listen, this isn't just some tiny scam in a basement. According to the Federal Trade Commission, phishing emails like these were the #1 reported online fraud method last year, costing Americans over $2.7 billion. Let me repeat that, $2.7 billion. With a B, that's not just a statistic. That's millions of families losing rent money, losing grocery money, losing retirement savings. I actually read about a case where a woman thought she was confirming her Amazon payment. Turned out, she was handing her entire checking account to a scammer. By the time she realized what happened, it was too late. The money was gone. And here's the really wild part. Scammers are now using AI tools to write emails that are practically perfect. No typo, no bad grammar, nothing suspicious. It's getting harder and harder to tell the difference. Now, I want you to picture this for a second. You wake up in the morning, check your bank app, and suddenly your balance is zero. Or imagine your Amazon account is hijacked, and someone orders thousands of dollars worth of electronics, shipped to an address you've never seen. For some people, it doesn't stop there. Once scammers get your login info, they try the same email and password on other sites. Your PayPal, your Netflix, even your email itself. That's called credential stuffing, and it can destroy your digital life in hours. The worst part, most victims say the same thing after it happens. "I thought it was real. I didn't think it could happen to me." And that's exactly why I'm making this video. Because if you know what to look for, you don't have to be the next victim. So let's get practical. How do you spot these fake Amazon emails before it's too late? Step 1. Check the sender. Real emails from Amazon will always come from an address ending in @Amazon.com. If you see something like @Amaze0nsupport.net or @account verification Amazon.org, it's fake. Step 2. Hover over the link. Don't click it, just hover your mouse. If the URL doesn't go straight to Amazon.com, it's a scam. Step 3. Read the language. Scammers love urgency. If an email says, "Your account will be permanently locked in 24 hours unless you act now," that's a giant red flag. Amazon doesn't threaten you like that. And here's the most important tip. Amazon will never ask you to confirm payment details or login info through an email link. If you're not sure, don't click. Go to your browser, type in Amazon, calm yourself, and check your account directly. Alright, now let me give you a 5-step plan to stay safe. Number 1. Enable two-factor authentication on your Amazon account. That way, even if someone steals your password, they can't log in without your phone. Number 2. Never reuse your Amazon password on other websites. If you're guilty of doing that, change it today. Number 3. Use a password manager. It keeps track of unique, complex passwords for you. Number 4. If you ever do click a bad link, change your password immediately and contact Amazon support. The faster you act, the better. Number 5. Report the scam. You can actually forward suspicious email to Stop Spoofing at Amazon.com. Mail to Stop Spoofing at Amazon.com. Every report helps shut these criminals down. These fake Amazon emails are fooling millions of people. But now you know the truth. You know the tricks, the warning signs, and how to protect yourself. And if you found this video helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with your family. Share it with your friends. The more people who know, the fewer people get scammed. And if you want more simple, real ways to stay safe online, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'll be covering the latest scams, hacks, and privacy tricks you need to know before they strike. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.